It's not just enough if you live, it's important that you live strong. Living strong means here life happens big. You're getting much more, phenomenal difference for the way your physical body functions. Your ability to live, your ability to resist these kind of invasions upon your life will be greatly enhanced. Today morning I was just walking outside and it's not new to me, but that particular moment was such. Most people develop relationship with the soil only after they die. But it's very important to develop relationship with the soil when you're alive. I would say especially now, with this virus around, believe me, those of you who are in some way in contact with the soil, here we call this Prithvi Prema Seva, that means getting involved with the soil in a very loving manner. Well, your ability to live, your ability to resist these kind of invasions upon your life will be greatly enhanced. It's not just enough if you live, it's important that you live strong. Living strong does not mean you grow big muscles and dominate somebody. Living strong means here life happens big. For this, you need a body which treats the entire planet as its extension, which it is. Every day, you're taking something from it and putting back something to it. Do you shit every day or no? I'm just checking, huh? Because constipated people, not just in the body, I'm talking about those who are constipated here. There are too many constipated here. They will start, okay, where am I putting back, what am I taking? No, you eat and you shit, that means you're putting back. You breathe, so you're taking in and putting back. So, this planet is an extension. Or you can make it your ICU. Yes, it is. If you cannot breathe, then they will put you oxygen. That also has been taken from the atmosphere, not from somewhere else. It's not come from anywhere else. Whether you take medicine, it's come from the planet. You take food, it comes from the planet. You breathe, it's come from the planet. They put you on oxygen, it comes from the planet. So, this planet is an extension of yourself. Or why I'm giving you an opportunity to be bombastic in your life. But the reality is, you're just a pop-up in this planet. You pop up and you pop down. Yes, as far as Mother Earth is concerned, she's looking at you compassionately for your foolishness, because in her mind, you're just recycle. She's just recycling herself. But you're taking yourself so seriously so seriously, oh, can't believe what human beings think of themselves. So, it's very important that you bring this at least once in 3 days, your hands and feet are in the soil, very important. And wherever else you are, if you have a small patch of a garden, or you can volunteer that you will work in somebody else's garden. Believe me, yes, they will get free labor, but don't think they are getting more, you're getting much more, because you being connected with the soil will make a phenomenal difference for the way your physical body functions. Everybody must make use of this somewhere, at least go clean the streets. Do something, huh? Put your hands into the soil, very important. Otherwise, those of you who are too well-to-do but don't want to be seen doing any work because it may create a wrong image for your affluence, you can have a mud bath. Yes, that is also one way.